just woken up.
What's that?
It's about 8 o'clock.
Is that
Buffalo.
Oh, buffalo. What's a buffalo?
Zebra.
It's a cow with horns. It's a big cow with horns. And it's very hairy.
Antelope, zebra.
It's amazing.
Hello, gazelle. It was waving to me too with its tail. That's a gazelle. And that's just a zebra.
It's the zebra the postman.
Yeah. That was such a cool sight. I think we're playing Tig. They're playing Tig. Yeah.
I think he's watching him.
He's going to say he ran past his mummy and he's going back. Oh, he's trying to go. He's having so much fun. It's so fast. He can run so fast. This is going to be fun to watch every morning. Oh, he's so close. So close, Zebra. I think he thinks he's a gazelle. And that was such an amazing view.
They're just feeding the animals now. Pretty cool, isn't it? They just put out loads of hay. The zebras are eating.
A row and antelopes going in.
Yeah, they're eating.
Kids are all chilling, eating their breakfast, watching some telly. The room actually works quite well with the beds away, the sofa bed folded up.
Thank you, Mummy.
The sofa bed here is a little bit better than the Polynesian. The room's obviously bigger in the Polynesian and it's built for 5. Here we've got extra storage instead of Jack's bed. So everyone slept really well last night.
It says it's for 4 on the DVC website, and that's probably about right if you were here for more than a couple of nights. But our guide the other day, because we went on a Riviera tour, said that's more of a suggestion. So if you bring your own airbed and mattresses, some resorts where you are allowed to pick a 5th person.
The way he made it sound is pretty much anywhere. They'll never turn anyone away. I'm sure there must be a limit.
A couple of nights with this lot is fine in here, but any more than that would get a little bit too cramped, I think.
Yeah, and it's a hassle putting the bed away. I just folded all the blankets, put them away, put the sofa bed away. It's quite easy. Still, it's much nicer having proper beds and proper rooms. And this room is actually growing on me. Tile floor, satin carpet, the view of course, the animals, decoration. It really is Disney theming. There's nothing quite like it.
Ostrich! They're not ostrich. Ostrich run really fast.
I think that can run really fast.
Look, it's
He is new. Or has he been hiding?
you.
I'll just show you the app on my phone. We're up kind of north side of the Kidani village. It's a nice location, even if it is quite a long way from the lobby. But then again, who needs a lobby when you can sit here? Right guys, do you want to go make some bird feeders?
Yeah.
Yeah? Should we go over there now and do it? I think they just started the activity. He can talk. He chooses not to sometimes. Yeah.
No, he doesn't.
Your name is Lucas. Okay, I'll put this around you. Okay. It's your first bed. Look at that. Do you like it? Yeah, me too. It's very, very pretty.
That looks so cool, Luke.
What's your hobby?
What a great activity.
Look, they made bird feeders, and now that little buggy over there, they're putting them out. This is our first time coming into the community hall in Animal Kingdom. It's very much like the other community halls we've been in so far, with an amazing view, right? And there's pool and there's things to make. Oh, cool. That's really cool. And jewelry you can make. Oh look, here's all the things you can do today.
It's like I was saying earlier, they have all these activities on today. So we just did the 11:30 animal enrichment.
We're just popping out for a quick lunch, and we live so close to Animal Kingdom, we thought, why not come to Flame Tree Barbecue? Because
I love it. Well, I've never been. It sounds so good. It smells so good.
Right, keep your eyes on the road here. Who's parking? So we've always wanted to try Flame Tree Barbecue, but we've always been really hot and bothered in Animal Kingdom, and so by the time we get there we're like, we don't want to go because we get here so early. But this way, we thought we'd pop in, we're going to share a sampler, which is like $20, and they can get everything they want. And actually the kids meals are quite good value, and they come with some fruit and fries and a drink, and it's just easy. So we're just going to pop in and pop out, because how cool is that we can do that, because we're about 2 minutes away, right?
Right, and also go on some rides, and then another ride, and then another
Well,
ride.
if they go on rides, me and Millie are going back for the
We're going to close the park down.
We're not.
I'm getting that thing again, where I want to do the hotel activities, I want to do the park activities, I want to go swimming, I want to go eat.
Do you see what I have to live with? Do you see it? Okay. I just said, shall we
Too
quickly...
excited.
I just said, shall we quickly pop into Flame Tree Barbecue for lunch? And like, I could see him trying to contain his excitement, but he couldn't quite do it, could you, Dom?
I'm under control.
This is actually our first time on a parking tram this trip, isn't it? I've been on a parking tram yet. No, because we've always got the monorail. Saying it's the first time on a parking tram.
I love the entrance to the Animal Kingdom. Through here and then through the oasis to the Tree of Life. It's awesome. Oh, sorry, Millie. I was just going to say it's my favourite entrance, and I thought, oh, Magic Kingdom's pretty cool. Hollywood Studios, the old 50s Hollywood's pretty cool. Epcot, it's all under construction at the moment, but it's going to be awesome. So, I guess I love them all. I can't help it.
I love Animal Kingdom the most.
You love Animal Kingdom the most? Because you're a monkey?
3 of them. You all have to believe. You have to say, I believe. Do you believe? Do you believe? You believe? Then Mickey says,
Oh, wow! How did you do that? Wow, that was a cool magic trick. You have to believe to get the magic, right, Jack?
Yeah.
You don't believe, there's no magic in Disney. I think Flame Tree Barbecue is just over here. Very busy again. Oh, there it is, I see it. Smell it before you see it, can't you? So, here's a good tip. Flame Tree Barbecue queue is massive, so I have mobile ordered, and they're preparing my food now, and it took me about a minute. So now, instead of doing that huge queue with 3 kids and waiting and stuff, we can now just simply go and find a table. So much better. Very good idea, Millie.
Oh, barbecue. I love it.
Here's a barbecue patty that me and Dom are sharing. Plenty of food for 2 people. I would think you would agree. The kids got their favourite. I let them have it today because I don't really like paying for them. They got it with a cookie, a little orange, and chocolate milk or apple juice. And Lucas doesn't like most fruit, so he's gone for a strawberry explosion. I only likes apple. So that is really good. There's ribs, there's chicken, there's pulled pork, there's coleslaw, and there's cheese. And we moved to a shadier spot with fans on the ceiling, just up from where we were. Absolute favourite thing, this dance party.
Oh look guys, it's Kevin. The girls are doing the dance party. They're being joined by Kevin from Up. Because Millie lives to dance. So this is all she wants to do. She'll be dancing with Kevin soon, I'm sure. And we have got a fast pass for Dinosaur, haven't we?
Yeah.
Which is in Dinoland, obviously.
One that I've never liked.
Yeah.
That's one that I've never liked.
It's quite intense, so these guys weren't sure about it. I don't think I even went on it last time. We went on it the time before, and last time they thought, nah.
Minnie's gonna get a picture. Love it, thank you. Is that cool? Yeah. Good. He's very polite. Millie just gave him a hug. He's very lovely. Love him. And he loves you too, he's saying.
Here we are. Dinosaur. We're gonna go back in time.
It said, the poster was funny. It said dinosaur, it's fast, it's a blast, it's in the past.
It's fast, it's a blast, and it's in the past. There's a dinosaur. And there's a T-Rex skeleton. A wilderness explorer point. We haven't really done that this trip, but you can go around, check out our last vlogs, and get stamps and learn all about animals and things. Alright, 65-minute wait, so I'm glad we got a fast pass. As an aside, I love those Chinese hats. They sell them in China in Epcot and they keep you so cool. I know you look a bit weird. I wanted one. What's it say, Luke?
Dinosaur, it's fast, it's a blast, it's in the past.
Luke, where's your magic band? Mommy's got it. Is that a problem? Not at Disney. Come straight through. They're not going to send us back to go get his magic band from somewhere else. They're just like, come straight in.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself.
We're in the loading bay. There's our time transports.
It's doing somersaults, even though it's not even going to be bad.
Your stomach's doing somersaults.
Yeah.
That's the whole plan. You ready, boys?
Yeah.
Let's go. Luke, what do you think of the ride? A little bit intense for Lucas. Oh dear. Dinosaur gift shop. 6-year-old and 8-year-old boys. This is not going to end well.
Very expensive gift shop, though.
Wow, you've been raised well, Jack. Very expensive gift shop, says Jack.
Done. And this is a problem with Animal Kingdom. It's like 6 degrees hotter, isn't it, than everywhere else?
Yeah.
It just makes you tired. So it's good to go in and eat, because otherwise you just never want to eat. They had a good time on Dinosaur, although Lucas was scared. I thought he might be old enough now. And me and Millie had fun. Another free ice cream. And back on the tram. So we're back in our room, and the first thing the kids want to do is see what's out the window. So we got a zebra, an antelope, an ostrich, wildebeest, something trying to scratch his neck in between a tree, which is quite cute.
So we're back from the Animal Kingdom. We're in the room. Kids are just chilling a little bit on the sofa. Hannah had to go to the lobby because I left the swim stuff behind this morning before we went out for lunch. And then, I'll look outside. We've got zebras right outside. Look past those trees there. There's like a safari tour going on. That is so cool.
We are just going swimming.
Oh, look at this amazing.
Finally! After Dom lost our bag, we went down to reception only to be told it's not there, to call guests to go all around the hotel, into the car, back down this huge long hallway, back to, oh no. And then I called Lost and Found, and it was at front desk.
There's a campfire at 5 o'clock.
I have to say, everything's slightly different here. It's the same, but like, different. Like the plates are real, the cutlery's real, that's nice. Because plastic stuff gets annoying after a while, doesn't it?
It's much better. You don't have to keep asking for new stuff.
Yeah, it's good. It's a baby giraffe. Kids have just seen a baby giraffe.
And a grown-up one.
How cool is that?
Mummy always wanted to see the giraffes, but a baby giraffe takes it to a whole new level.
Right. Oh, look, they're eating their dinner. And apparently they hang the food from the trees.
Giraffes are supposed to be the cutest things in the whole world.
Yeah, and apparently though, they hang the food from the trees because they don't want them actually eating the trees. That's quite clever. Hannah's Disney fact. So we are just walking alongside the car park to the pool. There's the pool.
Yeah.
It's a very nice temperature. Still not hot.
Says it's 28 degrees, but I don't believe it. Unless I become acclimatized through.
Yeah, I'd say it's like 22. Not hot enough for me to swim really, unless I am needed. It's good temperature for the hot tub. Look at these cool trees.
Bamboo.
Bamboo. And then look, there's a toilet hut. I'm guessing we go around this way. That's a fire pit, so that's where the campfire will happen, I suppose. Oh look, they've got a pool bar. There's our food. We could have eaten here. Look, I love Disney because even the floor is themed. What? And we found the pool, 10 to 8 o'clock. Everyone says this is a really nice pool. Oh, look over there, Millie, it's a water playground. You want to go over there? Oh, it's Giant Connect 4. It's a nice pool. Yeah? The little slide. You have not been to this pool before. When? Little slide. Oh, big slide. Really big slide. That's the pool. This is all fairly cool around here. Table tennis. It's Giant Connect 4, and then come through these little gates, which are very pretty. It says some Samawati Trading Company, and there's like a wet area here. Over here in Kidani Lodge, there's like a tiny hot tub, like a kid's one, and some water play. But then there's like a dry park as well, and some sun lounges for the parents, which is quite nice. And then if you come over to here, it is the water area, and the kids have been like having fights. As you can see, they're running around now. And oh, there's buckets that fill water, there's guns that shoot water, there's waterfalls, there's a slide, there's these like snakes from the Jungle Book that spit water at you every so often. Shower, there's a bench, and then again, hi Dom.
Hi.
More sun lounges over here for the parents, which is a very nice treat.
Yeah.
And then up there, I've just worked out that's the gym. So it's a nice overlook. There's a gym, and there's some flowers that shoot water too. And there's a bench in case you need to sit down, and a water fountain. It's all really nice. I mean, I don't know where these kids get their energy from. When they're in the parks, they're like, oh, I need to sit down, I need the pram, I'm so tired. And then you bring them here and they never want to stop. I don't know where they're going. Up and down, but I mean, this is like kiddie paradise, right? I can see why everyone says this is the best one with small kids, because there's a lot for them to do here, isn't there?
There's so much.
Yeah.
This would have been perfect like a couple of years ago, because when the pools were too big for them, they couldn't really swim.
It's a shame, it's a game, but I'm so into you. Gotta play, win or lose, cheers to who you'll ever choose. That's right. And we just gotta hold tight and enjoy the ride. We're going out in style. We're out in the middle of the night and you're there. Come be wild with me, yeah. We're young and we stay up having fun, oh yeah. Come be wild with me, girl.
So I finished with swimming, and we're just going to go over to the campfire. So I have one here as well, but we're going to wait for Dom. So do you want to sit yourself down here, Millie? And Lucas? And Jack? is gone off with Dom because I took off my bikini because I hate like being wet with clothes on. So I've got my little cover up from Boohoo on, and I wrapped my bikini up in a towel, and then Dom put the towel in the towel return. Oops. So hopefully you can get it back. So although it's a limited menu, the pool bar is quite a nice place to eat at Kidani Lodge because you can overlook the animals as well, which is quite cool. Isn't this a beautiful place to stay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Is it your favourite?
Yes, sir.
Of all the Disney ones?
Yes, sir. Because I get to see animals. I might see lion. Wow.
Lions are Lucas's favourite animal. Always have been. What's your favourite animal, Millie?
Monkey.
Monkeys. So it's very much the same setup as every other hotel, because every hotel on Disney property does this. Not every night, but most of the time. And you can usually buy s'mores kit for like £5. So the s'mores are complimentary here, so it's one per person. But marshmallows are unlimited, so that's nice.
Would you all like to start with 1 or 2 marshmallows? 2?
We're going out. Maybe I'll see you there. Better watch out, or we'll repeat it all again. We're going out. Just take a good look around. There's something to ignite.
Marshmallows done?
Are you guys ready for school?
Yes, please, yeah.
Alright, here you go. Do you want some help with it? You have.
Thank you.
Alright, go ahead and put those marshmallows right there and pull that stick out.
She's never had one before because we don't have these in England.
I actually have a very first
Oh,
for you.
wow, so thank you.
So sweet.
Brilliant.
You're welcome.
Oh, my very first s'more she got. How is it, Jack?
It's there's no other way to describe it. It's amazing.
Really, really good. I did one as well, and it's gorgeous. Lucas is trying roasting, even though he doesn't like marshmallows.
Jealous of my perfectly toasted marshmallow.
Thank you. This is a big deal for Lucas. He doesn't eat anything that he doesn't actually know about.
Mummy,
Do you like it?
look.
Yeah?
What's it gonna do?
You're still looking at some animals now? Oh! It's quite cool. So look, me and Dom got a badge too.
We did.
It's not our very first s'more, but it is our very first s'more at Animal Kingdom Lodge.
Long hallways. Oh, we're nearly there. We're nearly there. We're nearly there. No. Another hallway.
I don't know how much it feels shorter though, to be honest. Do you know what I mean?
With the views, look, animals. A watering hole.
Right, and the sun is setting on the savannah, and we don't have very many animals around us, but there is a little, what is he called, Dom?
I don't know. Oh, antelope.
We call him an
gazelle.
antelope or gazelle, and then through those trees you can just see a zebra. I feel like we've done everything today, don't you?
Yeah, went to the park.
Like chilled, been to the park. Dom's been on the ride, thank goodness. Been
Could
to
have
a
done with
dance
1 or
lesson.
2 more.
We're just gonna have a quick dinner. We've got like some bits, leftover pizza from last night for the kids and stuff. So we're just off out to go and do the night vision animal zoo. Hopefully it's still on. I think it finishes at 9:30. And I think it's just looking through some night vision binoculars.
Just.
Sorry.
Watching animals at night.
There are some wildebeest right there. This is cool. We haven't actually been out here. Little fire over here, and I think you can borrow the night vision goggles. And how pretty is this, guys? Maybe lift him up, Dom. Can't actually believe we haven't been out here because look how beautiful that is. And some very cute little kids rocking chairs and adult rocking chairs. Must be nice during the day as well. Millie's just having a little look. There's nothing much here. They're all apparently moving around the corner right over there, which would be great if you're in Sana? I call it Sana.
Sana.
Oh, I see one.
I'm just looking at the SAVANNAH menu, and this is the famous thing, the bread service. It's $18, and look, they actually do have. I thought, what would Lucas ever eat here? And we do have cheese pizza, cheeseburger, butter chicken.
We're just waiting in the lobby while Hannah fills up the water bottles over there in Johari Treasures. Kids couldn't hear the TV properly, so they've gone a bit closer, lying on the floor of the lobby. Hey, why not?
And so I think we're gonna say
Good night.
alright, we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.